Isilo singene esivumelwaneni nesikhungo iNational School of Governance ukuqeqesha amakhosi ekuphathweni komhlaba.
Ingonyama ibe isisho ukuthi ukuhlaselwa nokubulawa kwamakhosi kuyinto eyikhathaza kakhulu. Isilo ke sinethemba lokuthi uhulumeni wesifundazwe uzoqhamuka nezinhlelo zokuvikela impilo yamakhosi.
Kulesi sithangami kunxuswe ukuhlonishwa kwesithunzi samakhosi kanye nokuqinisekiswa ukuphepha kwawo. Kunemicimbi ezobanjwa ukuvuselela ukuzigqaja kwesizwe samaZulu. Kuyo kukhona neyokubandakanya intsha ebuthweni eliqokwe yingonyama emkhosini wempi yasesandlwana isilwa netshe.
Isilo sishilo ukuthi ngomhla ka-12 March 2024 kuzokwembulwa isifuziselo noma itshe elikhumbula umdlokombane Ingonyama uZwelithini kaBhekuzulu esesiqoshwe ondini. Kuthi ngomhla ka-27 April kuwo lonyaka kwembule isifuziselo selembe esilapha esikhumulweni seyindiza e-airport eThekwini. Silo sishilo ukuthi kuzoba nomkhosi noma inkonzo kwaNongoma ezokhumbula uNdunankulu kaZulu umntwana okwaphindangene.
Umfundisi uButhelezi uyimeya yomasipala iZululand.
I think His Majesty, when he made the announcement, was very clear about the type of expectations that he has in the Prime Minister and the type of conduct which the traditional Prime Minister should show. Therefore, I don't think there will be people who are confused, because the role in which I am playing now is the role which is serving His Majesty, and there is no political influence or any political favor which will accrue to any political party out of this role.